Leo and the Friendly Moon. Leo often felt lonely at night. He would stare up at the sky, wondering if anyone was out there looking back. One evening, as he gazed at the big glowing moon, he thought he heard it whisper, "Hello, Leo." Startled, Leo looked around, but soon realized the voice was coming from the moon itself. The moon said, "I'm always here, shining just for you. Whenever you need a friend, look up and I'll be watching over you." From that night on, Leo would talk to the moon, sharing his dreams, hopes, and little worries. Sometimes he even asked the moon questions, and in his heart, he felt the answers. Leo learned that he was never truly alone. The moon was his quiet friend in the night sky, always there to listen and make him feel safe. Since then, Leo wasn't afraid of the dark anymore. He felt happy knowing that someone was always looking out for him.